Hi guys! So right now, alis na tayo. This time, ready to go na tayo to airport. As you can see, dito lahat sa likod ang aming mga family. Hi everyone!
Shout out everyone!
Shout out! Yes guys, see you soon. Okay, dito nang labasan natin dito sa Moonwalk Parañaque. Kasi may Moonwalk na isa sa Las Piñas, but here is Moonwalk Parañaque. Yeah. Ito po ang ating barangay, para siyang City Hall.
Las Piñas Parañaque.
Yan ang ating City Hall. Oy, barangay hall lang yan, hindi City Hall. Barangay Moonwalk, oo. Para sa City Hall, pero it's our barangay hall. Okay.
Kilalang Vera.
Okay. This is our way. So, ito ang ating post for our security here in Phase 2. Palabas na tayo guys, going to Airport Terminal 3. Right now, we are here in Villamor Air Base. Going to Naya 3. Terminal 3 actually. See, lots of traffic. Heavy traffic. Time check. 4 p.m. Ano tayo? Anong kwan yan? Anong road? Ano yan?
Skyway.
Skyway going to. Dami mo ride. Okay, this is it. It's still traffic. This is Manila. Nothing changed. Traffic pa rin. Kaya malapit na tayo sa Terminal 3. Okay. Here we are in the front of Newport World Resort. Meron dito mga casinos. Yan. Doon naman, Belmont Hotel. Wow, another building here, Sheraton Manila Hotel. Dito lang sa World Gathering Place. Shrine Sheraton. Here in Manila. Soon going to open. Under construction na siya guys. This is Macapagal Boulevard, entry to Naya X. There you are, Ninoy International Airport. Okay, this way going to Aurora Boulevard. Ayan, just straight go ahead. Mamaya, keep right tayo. No, not right. Left. Keep left to Terminal 3. Kaya guys, kung pupunta tayo ng airport, aga-aga natin. At least, magbigay tayo ng space like 2 hours to 3 hours. Kasi you can see here, oh, queuing. Heavy traffic guys. You see? Walang movement. We're departuring now here in Terminal 3.
Dito tayo sa baba.
Sa baba tayo ha?
Sa baba.
Hindi, taas tayo mo.
Sa taas na departure.
Ay, oo nga pala.
Hindi na kami makakapasok. Ay, sa baba na lang kuya. Sa baba na lang.
Yan ang Mega World.
Anino yan? Kay Alice?
Okay guys, so dito na tayo sa airport. Labas ng ating mga bagahe. Okay, let's go in. So, entrance na tayo guys.
Talong kami nila pa?
Oh, wala na tayo. Okay, hindi na pwede may baba tayo.
Bakit wala naman? Manlawan lamang siya. Wait lang.
ordered. O, hindi ba tayo departure? Sabi ko, sir. Wag na. Yes, guys. So, bye from now. Dito na tayo sa Terminal 3. Ako'y magpapaalam na sa aking mga mahal sa buhay. O, babay na, Mami Beth. Bye na, anak ka.
Anong sabi mo kanina kay Mami Beth?
Sabihin sa akin. Bye-bye.
Pambili po namin ng auntie ngayon.
Guys, dito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee. Sorry po, madam. So, kasi wala pong pagkain sa ating masasakyan aeroplano. Hong Kong Airlines. This is my first time na masasakyan ka ng Hong Kong Express. Hindi Airlines. Hong Kong Express. So, mag-order tayo ng Jollibee. Kasi, magugutom tayo. 2 hours pa. Pag-aantay. Time check, 6:30, and then alis kami ng 8. So, I still have 1 hour and a half. Pero, malayo pa guys yung lalakarin ko kasi I'm gate 105. Ma'am, order nga po ako yung spaghetti. Rice na lang. Rice with chicken.
Kuya, pa-water to.
C1?
Ano po yung
Yeah. Okay. Can I have coffee?
May coffee ka ba?
Color C8 na lang.
Ano po drinks ba?
Coffee, please.
Ano ba?
That's it. Ano, take away? Okay guys, so antayin natin ang order natin. Mag-beep siya. Wait for us. Yes guys, let's go guys. So ito na pagkain natin. Pasok na tayo. O sige, antayin kita dito ha. Dito kay Ninoy. Ayan si statue na oh. Okay, para sabay na tayo papasok. Okay guys, antayin natin ang aking sister, ang aking mahal na kapatid si Jenna. Hello guys. Kasi sabay na rin kami papasok. Yeah, dito na ako sa harap ng immigration. 10 o'clock actually ang flight niya back to Taiwan. Ako naman 8 o'clock ang flight ko back to Hong Kong. Nakatu eh.
Luwela, lak na.
Okay lang yan.
Ako
Pero mo na.
Giminata kami kilakot.
Yeah, o,
Sana
sige.
ka baka mas malate ka.
Okay, let's
Hi.
go! Ito na ang aking kapatid. Sabay kaming dalawa mag-fly. As I said a while ago, she's going back to Taiwan and me going back to Hong Kong. Okay, let's go! Ay, gaga! Waga. Linda na. 3. Okay, sabay kami ng kapatid ko. Gate 105 ako, siya. Gate 105. 106 ka. Alright, let's go. Okay guys, let's go. Nakalabas na tayo sa immigration. Shout out John. Thank you. I'm so happy. For the first time, makasama kami ng aking bulilit na kapatid. Yes.
Kasi sa lalaki, nagpipi yung bag mo. Tapos sa kanya pala yung bag na nagpipi.
Akala niya bab mo. O, ito, gate 101. We are gate 106. And 107. Okay, hanapin natin, guys. Tara na! Hoy! Ay, bili pa muna ako ng pasalubong ko. Oo. Ito, gusto ng boss ko. Ano to? Boat tart. Magkano to? Saan yung mango nyo?
Ayan.
Assorted tarts. 180?
190.
Okay, give. Tingnan po. Ng 5.
Punta ka na doon.
Okay.
Ako na. Ako yan. Sorry, video. May ka na. Kwarto mo.
Ay, ito na lang muna ako.
Pesa mo binili Dunkin?
Sa lawag pa to.
Sa labas?
Lawag.
Ay, hapon. Layo.
Dalapanggang dito.
Ay, doon
Tagalawag
natin.
kayo?
Yun yung sa'yo. Ay, sorry.
Sige, pamabaya. Go!
How about drinks?
Yeah.
Pa-separate mo yung mango, te. 2, 4, 6. Kurang ya, kwarto may.
Oo, 1,
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14.
I have. Okay,
Ah, sige.
may coins ka dyan? Ano, mango? Alam, tinalo ko naman ng ano.
Okay na po. Hi.
Okay
Go.
guys, so nakabili na tayo pampasalubong natin. Let's go! Okay, dali-dali natin kasi.
Malilate.
Okay na. Pause mo. Yan guys, so marami na din tayo mga pabibilhan dito. May tapating, may Rogers, double biscuit. Oh, marami po. Marami na pagbabago dito guys. Talagang ganda na dito sa Terminal 3. Kasi hindi na tayo magbibit pa na ipapasok, bibili sa labas kasi mo over luggage. You can buy here na lang inside with the airport. Meron tayo dito na maganda. Maraming magbibili. Let's go!
Okay.
Kung inaantok kayo at over fatigue kayo, stress, we can buy here coffee. Inom kayo ng kape kasi coffee is life. Para, easy na to go. Alright? Bye now.
O, mapolo ka.
Yes guys, so hanapin natin ang date 106 and my sister is date 107. So makalapit lang kami. Yes, meron na po video camera woman. Okay guys, sundan natin ito. Medyo malayo-layo pa. Wow! Ganda nito. Picture mo nga ako dito.
1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Damit ng mga igorot.
Yes.
Fruits.
That is native.
O yan. Sa leg. Naka-video ka, te, ha?
Medyo malayo-layo pa guys.
Oo nga pala. Gate 101 to 109.
Pause mo lang. Wala, puro naman ganito lang. Tara na, mahati-hati ka pa na kuya.
Okay.
Okay guys, kuha tayo ng tubig kasi tinapon ko yung tubig ko kanina. Pause mo, hindi ito. Hanapin ko. Mag-refill tayo guys. Okay. Guys, nakakuha tayo ng warm water. Let's go, habulin natin guys. Yes guys, so dito na tayo. Ang ingay-ingay naman ng mga to. Papasok na tayo guys. Alright guys, time check. It's 8:05. Alright. So let's begin to go na. Malaki pala to. Hong Kong Express. Ito naman Ethiopian. Yes guys, so let's go to look our seat. 33F. So doon tayo on the back. Yes guys, nakaupo na tayo. So, makiat na yun guys. So, pahinga muna tayo for a while. Yan. As I can see pa, ang dami guys ngayon ng pasayero. I thought na Hong Kong Express is quite small, but this airlines is quite big too. It's not like Cebu Pacific, you know? This is like, yeah, because it's international Oceania. Airlines, so it's quite big. It's almost hundreds of passengers as well. So here guys, we are in the window seat.
Dear passengers, due to our flight is full today, please put your small bags, backpacks, souvenirs, and luggage for...
Yes guys, you can see my food. I put my bag under on my chair.
Maintain and ensure that you always with quality before helping others. 有氣面罩有需要時候自動跌下，請用力拉下面罩確認呼吸。有氣燈無需充氣，亦能提供氧氣，請先戴下氧氣面罩再。
Yes guys, this is at night now here in Manila, Terminal 3. So, let's go guys. God bless our flight and see you all again soon after a few weeks. Back to Hong Kong now. Miss you all, my family here in Philippines. Miss you too, my family in Hong Kong. Well, as you can see here, guys, it's very foggy. Look at your light. They're taking off now. Yeah, I cannot talk properly because, you know, beside of me is already sleeping, so I don't want to disturb her. Guys, palabas na tayo. Thank you. Bye-bye. Welcome home. Sweet home. Yes, dito. Kat-arrive natin na dito sa Hong Kong. So guys, we're going out na. Kalalabas natin sa airport. Okay, kuha tayo ng trolley. Yes guys, thank you so much. Wala na tayong boses. Oops, kaka-arrive lang natin dito sa Hong Kong Airport. Time check 11:30 in the night. Wala ng boses. Yes guys, we are here now inside in the Hong Kong Airport. I'm looking for my luggage. Okay, I'm looking for my luggage. Okay, belt 15, hall B. Okay, so let's go to hall B, belt 15. Over there, a bit far away. Okay guys, dito na tayo sa belt 15. Oh, doon na. Oh, nakita ko guys. There you are. Okay, nakuha ko na luggage. Guys, now time check 12 exactly in the morning. Oh, 12:05 a.m. Is it midnight na siya? Yes. And guys, we are here now in Hong Kong Airport. Okay, so let's go and find my bus. Okay, so dito na ang bus ko. Thanks God, at nakarating na kami mapayapa. Ito ng aking bagahe. Bubuksan ko na. Para matanggal na yung mga pagkain dyan na dapat mailagay sa refrigerator. Yan guys. So, tanggalin natin na yung mga jacket na yan. Mga bag na yan. And then, ito yung aking yes guys, tanggalin muna natin itong mga kakanin. Yes.